How to download Instagram Reel on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download Instagram Reel on your phone. Let's just get started. Open up Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, you want to go over to the Reel section on the bottom of your navigation bar. So I'll just go ahead and tap on the Reels. From your Reels section, what you need to do next is basically go ahead and find the download button. You can do that by tapping on share. And if the creator has turned on download, you could find the download button right here. Simply go ahead and tap on download right here, and it will start downloading the reel to your phone's gallery. You have to know that it will download the whole video, but it comes with the watermark of the user or the creator of the reel, and you should be good to go from there. Again, if you want to download another one, tap on share, then swipe to the right, find download, tap on download, and tap on it. You should be good to go. So let me quickly show you guys on my gallery. To show up in your gallery, you just have to wait for a few minutes and it should appear here and you're good to go. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.